हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और आई होप आप सब अच्छे हैं, सुरक्षित है, अपने घर पे है। और मेरी आप टेंशन मत लीजिए, दिस इज़ माय अपार्टमेंट एंड जिनका मैं ये कार रिव्यू कर रहा हूँ वो ही ऑल्सो स्टेज इन द सेम अपार्टमेंट, सो हमें दिक्कत नहीं हुई है। सो वी हैव नॉट गॉन आउट एनीवेयर। आपको थंबनेल से तो पता चल ही गया है कि हम क्या रिव्यू आज करने वाले हैं। इट्स अ थार 4x4 विच इज़ काफ़ी मॉडिफाई किया गया है उसमें और काफ़ी ज़्यादा खर्च किया गया है। और सबसे पहले बताना चाहूँगा, इट इज़ ऑन सेल एंड जो चला है ओनली 12,000 किलोमीटर्स और ओनर ने बहुत अच्छे से इस कार को रखा है। तो चलिए दोस्तों, और वक्त बर्बाद ना करते हैं, हम शुरुआत करते हैं वीडियो की। ओह नो दोस्तों, ये तो स्टॉर्म है। इसके लिए यू गाइज हैव टू स्टे ट्यून्ड अप बिकॉज दिस वीडियो विल कम इस थार के बाद। तो चलिए दोस्तों, हम पहले इस थार का वीडियो लेते हैं अभी। सो गाइस, इस स्टॉर्म और थार के ओनर हमारे साथ है, तो सर को वेलकम करते हैं। सर, व्हाट इज़ योर नेम?
My name is Madhu.
Okay, so tell us something about your Thar.
This is my Thar, which I bought it in 2016 October, and I've done a lot of modifications on this car.
Okay, so can you tell our viewers that I heard that the car is on sale, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, so कुछ details देंगे उसका?
So you want to know about the car? So I've changed the front bumper and the back bumper.
Okay.
And I put the HID lights, which is Rally 303.
Okay.
I've changed this angry grill.
Okay.
Which has been actually shows this as if it's a monster.
Correct.
Which is rolling on the road.
Correct.
So if you look at the tires and the alloy wheels, which I've changed it recently.
Okay.
The alloy wheels are
This is all terrain tires, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are actually Maxxis.
Okay.
771.
Okay.
So along with that, so you have something here which you can step in, and it makes your life easy to clean the car.
Because cleaning these cars are very difficult.
Yeah. Actually,
बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है.
so this is something which will definitely help you out to clean the car.
तो इसमें fog लगा है क्या आपने?
Yeah. So this is the fog lights and very bright.
Okay.
Actually, you will not face any kind of a problem during the night. The road is much visible. Actually, the car is also very, you can say the height, and it is very ground clearance.
Okay.
So I have put the
rock sliders.
Okay. And I've changed the tuning. So the BHP is increased drastically.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So
Okay.
if you look at the exhaust is here, it is not in the back.
Oh, okay. So who has done this work?
So this is being done by Prad itself.
Okay. तो मतलब Prad से ही आपने सब कुछ इसमें लगाया है?
Yeah.
Everything is Prad. Okay.
So they've changed the seating position of the seat. If you look at it, it's on the
Okay.
front face, so that the traveling will make more easy.
Okay.
And 4 people can travel
आराम से बैठ
very.
सकते हैं. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
So I've done this roll case, which is there inside. It's a complete roll case,
Okay.
and I've split the top, so you can remove the top completely, or you can just roll it out, so that the view is very clear,
Okay.
right?
Okay. So how much have you spent on the car till now in total?
So I've done almost like 2.5 lakh
2.5
rupees on the car.
lakh.
Yeah.
So what is your expected that आप
I'm
जिसमें-
expecting somewhere around say 11.5
Okay.
something.
Okay. Because चला भी बहुत कम है actually.
हाँ,
Only
yeah, I've just driven only some 12,000 kilometers,
12,000
not
kilometers.
not much.
Okay.
So this is the back bumper which has been changed completely.
Okay.
The number plate was here earlier, but it has been
okay.
shifted here now. So the number plate comes here,
Okay.
the stepney.
Nice.
So you can even open this, and you can have a lot of storage on this.
Okay.
So it helps you while traveling.
Okay. और काफ़ी storage है actually.
Yeah. So compared to the normal car, it is much better actually.
So इसमें भी I think it's symmetric, right? उस side में जो था इस side भी वही है.
Exactly the same, but
Okay.
you find some kind of stickerings over
Stickers.
here,
Okay.
and which has been done by me
Okay.
completely.
So let's go to the interiors now.
Yeah, sure. So if you look at it, actually you have a tutors and you have a speaker, and you have a window slider as well.
Okay. तो ये क्या stock आता है क्या Windows?
No, this is
window?
not a stock. Even all the three, whatever you're seeing, the speakers as well as the sliders, all done by me.
Okay. Anything on the dashboard?
Not much. This is pretty much the more stock, but I've
Okay.
changed the seat
covers.
covers.
Okay, nice. What about the music systems? Have you done?
Yeah, music system is actually it's a touch screen,
Okay.
which I have done it. It doesn't come with the stock.
Okay, nice. And rear view mirrors also, I think you have put wide angle one, right?
Yes, you can remove that mirror. It's a
Oh, you can remove that
Yeah.
as well. Okay.
so you can find the stock.
Okay. So that is the lever जो इस गाड़ी में जान डाल देती है. That is the 4x4.
4x4, yeah.
Your
yeah.
car can go anywhere.
Yeah, it can go anywhere actually. Yes.
But mine can go fast, but your car can go anywhere.
Yeah.
Nice. So what about the sticker? ये ऐसे ही
So
आपने-
this is actually which I love. This symbol is something which I bought it with my Safari.
Oh, this also has.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay,
This
okay.
is my trade symbol. If you see that, you can find everywhere wherever I have a vehicle. I have two wheelers.
Okay.
The similar sticker is there on the 2 wheelers
Okay.
and all my cars.
Okay. So सफारी को भी हम रिव्यू कर सकते हैं कि नहीं?
Yeah. You can always.
इसमें आपने कितना स्पेंड
ये
किया?
सेल नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
तो इसमें कितना आपने स्पेंड किया होगा?
In this actually the music system it will cost me around 2.5 lakh. Sorry, 1.5 lakh.
Okay. 1.5 lakh का म्यूजिक सिस्टम?
Yes. It has complete set of 6 speakers, and it has tutors. It has
Okay, let us not talk too much about it because
Yeah.
लोग फिर देखेंगे नहीं ये
a
वीडियो
bumper as well. Yeah,
Okay.
this is off-road bumper.
Okay.
So I have these 3 things. One is that you can fold the seats so that more luggage can come inside,
Okay.
and you have an auto lock for this car,
Okay.
right? And there's some bull rings actually which has been put across onto the bumper. This is something which will give you a nice look.
Okay. तो आप आराम से खींच भी सकते हैं.
Yeah, you
can
can,
be
you
pulled.
can, but this is very sensitive. It is only for more of a show rather than for.
Okay. So I think हो गया, right?
Yeah, done.
So thank you so much for showing us your
Thank
car,
you very
bro.
much. Thank you.
गाइस, आई होप ये वीडियो आप सबको बहुत पसंद आया होगा. एक रिक्वेस्ट आप सबसे है कि आप सब लोग बहुत चोरों की तरह ये वीडियोस देख रहे हो और सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हो. दैट इज़ वेरी रॉन्ग. सो आपको अभी सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा होगा स्क्रीन पे. सो गो अहेड एंड क्लिक दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड ऑल्सो प्रेस द बेल आइकन सो दैट आप लेटेस्ट वीडियो सब देखते रहें. तो इसी के साथ दोस्तों वी एंड दिस वीडियो हियर एंड स्टॉर्म के लिए स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड आई विल सी यू ऑन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो गाइस. सी यू, बाय बाय.